Hey, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the official yoga page of Forestri Health. I'm Jasmine, and today we will be going over Sphinx Pose and transition into Cobra Pose. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. Today we will be starting with Sphinx Pose. Sphinx Pose lengthens the abdominal muscles while strengthening the spine and back muscles. This pose also firms the glute muscles while stretching and opening the chest, lungs, and shoulders. This pose is easy on the upper body because it puts the weight on the forearms instead of the wrists. Sphinx Pose can help you deepen your back flexibility, which can help you get into Cobra Pose and eventually back bends. So if you're looking for a beginner stretch that will benefit your entire upper body, this is the pose for you. So let's begin. First, you are going to lie down on your stomach with your legs extended behind you and keep them hip width apart. Then take a deep breath and bring your arms in front of you. Make sure your palms are down and keep your head looking forward. Then press your forearms into the floor and lift your shoulders off the ground, but keep your pelvis on the floor. Curve your back as much as you can to get a stretch in your lower spine. Now we are going to rest in this position for 1 minute, and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. And that is how you do Sphinx Pose. Now let's move on to Cobra Pose. Similar to Sphinx Pose, Cobra Pose can help lengthen and strengthen the spine muscles. It can also help stimulate the ab muscles and organs, tone the glute muscles while at the same time opening up the chest, lungs, and shoulders. Cobra Pose has also been shown to relieve sciatica, stress, and fatigue and help people who live with asthma. To get into the position, you're going to lie down on your stomach, bring your arms forward, and place your palms on the mat with your elbows slightly bent. Arch your head upward and back to look up at the ceiling. Press the top of your feet into the mat and then extend your arms by pressing them into the mat and lifting your body up and off the floor. Keep your shoulders down away from your ears. Relax, and we are going to hold this pose for 1 minute. Beautiful. Now relax your arms and slowly lower your body back down onto the mat. And that is how you do Cobra Pose.